guys, so this is part 2, right? Remember, we are still on the Cartesian plane. Yebo, so it's the Cartesian plane. As much as this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Remember, you're still on the Cartesian plane, meaning this is the origin, and then this side you have what? Positive x values. So I'm just going to write positive x. And then this side is negative x values. This is negative y values. And then this is positive y values, right? Okay. So we are dealing with right-angled triangles. So I'm going to draw one in the first quadrant. There. My grade 10 is lunch stress alone. Okay. Then there's another one this side, meaning we are in the second quadrant. Here's another one. Here is another one in the fourth. So all these are angles, by the way. Remember, we are drawing angles. Okay. There's your theta. There's your theta. There's your theta. There's your theta. Okay. So remember, we are still doing positive x and positive y. So this would be positive y because we are in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant going up, it's like positive y values. And then this is positive x. This side, it will be negative y down here because going down we have negative y values, and then that's r. Remember, they share the same x-axis, meaning this triangle also have what? A positive x value. Then r. Guys, r is always positive, meaning the hypotenuse is always positive. Why? Because it's distance or length. You can never have a negative distance. So all the r's would be positive. But when I'm this side, this is negative x, and then this is positive y. This would be negative y. Okay. So in the first quadrant, or my grade 10, from grade 10, remember that we have, or we name angles, we do angles according to, or we name sides. Yeah, that's the correct way to say it. We name sides according to your angle, or in relation of your angle. So sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse, and then cos is opposite your adjacent, over hype, and then tan is opposite over adjacent. Okay, some teachers are very creative. They come up with ways to help you guys remember. So the most normal one, it's so car so for this one, yeah, it's the most normal one. Yeah. So S for sine, and then this is opposite, and then this is hypotenuse, and then C for cos, this is adjacent, and then that's hypotenuse, and then T for tan, and then this is opposite. So TOA. So this is supposed to be A, and then A for adjacent. Okay, so now we're gonna do that. All students take cash, or all students take cocaine. I'm sure you've heard it from your teachers. For non-Christians, I am sorry. Actually, I shouldn't say this one. My lips are shut. Okay, so in the first quadrant, we have sine. So sine of theta, if I'm here, my opposite side would be what? The y. So it's positive y over positive r. And then positive divided by positive would give us a what? A positive answer. And then cos theta, we have positive x over positive r. And then positive and positive will give us a positive answer. Tan theta is positive over positive x, positive and positive would give us a positive. So all ratios are positive here. That's where the A comes from. Then we're gonna go to the second quadrant and see what happens there. So sine theta in the second quadrant, our opposite side is positive y over positive r. Positive and positive would give us what? A positive answer. And then cos theta is minus x, because remember now you are in the negative x-axis. We are this side now, and then this is the side where you'll have -1, -2, -3, blah 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 blah. So negative x over positive r, because remember r is always positive. So negative and positive would give us negative, and then tan is positive y over minus x, and then positive divided by negative gives us negative. So in the second quadrant, only sign is positive. I feel like I should increase the font for this one so that it's in bold. Is it in bold? Yes. What a beautiful handwriting there. I know. Okay, this side would be cos, and then this would be 10. Okay, just want to take it back to normal because wow. Okay, so now in the third quadrant we have sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So in the third quadrant, sine would be minus y over positive r. Negative and positive gives us what? Negative. And then cos would be minus x over positive r, and then this is negative. Oh, oops, sorry, I'm so Judge Judy's already judged me, ne? This is the other way around. And then tan is minus y over minus x, and then negative and negative gives us what? Positive. See, I also make mistakes just like you in the test, so don't judge me. So in the third quadrant, only tan is positive, and then in the fourth we have sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So this would be minus y over positive r, and then negative and positive gives us what? Negative. And then cos would be positive x over positive r, and positive gives us positive. Tan would be minus y over positive x, and then minus and positive gives us what? Negative. So in the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. So maybe so this is all of them. And then in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. In the third quadrant, only tan is positive. And then in the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. So that's where now the all strippers yeah, all strippers take care. You guys are naughty. I'm sure you would like this one. But all students take cocaine, all students take cash because you love money. Yeah. Okay, see you on the next video.